Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to teach you how to add references by using EndNote. So after installing EndNote in your device, open Google Chrome and go to this top left, top right corner, and you will see this icon named extensions. Click it, and at the end of this, click Manage Extension. EndNote extension will already be here, so just enable it. I have already enabled it, but you can just press this button for to enable and disable it. So after enabling extension, open EndNote. So this is our first time, so we will create a new library in which you will add all of your references. So create a new library. This library will hold all of your references which you have collected through different articles or anywhere from where you have gathered your content for your thesis or research work. So EndNote and my EndNote library, and your EndNote will open, and this is EndNote UI, homepage UI. EndNote can be the most simplest software if you use it in a simple way, and it can be the most complicated software if you use it in a very complicated way. So in my video, I'm simply going to tell you how to use it for your thesis and for your research work. I will cover just simple things with which you can add references in your thesis or your research work. So after opening EndNote, go back to the Google Chrome and type Google Scholar. Search any article from which you are going to extract content. Like I'm going to search for uh, fast food. So let's go with that. This first article is the article from which you are going to extract content. So a reference should be added. So just click on this site icon. You can see it here. Just click this site icon and this UI will open, and at the end you can see that there is an option of EndNote. So click it and save. And an icon will appear on your top right corner. So just click it and a reference will be added to your EndNote library. So at the top of this EndNote library, you can see that there's an option of all references. Click it and all of the reference will be added here. So if I add any more references, it will be automatically added here. Like this second article, if I cite EndNote, save. In imported references, the reference of that specific article is added. And if you go to the all references, you can see that that reference is added below the first one. So this is how you are going to add references in your EndNote library. But how are you going to extract that references and paste it in your Word document? So just open Word document by installing EndNote. Automatically, an EndNote extension will be added in your Word document. But if you don't see an EndNote extension, so just click on this top ribbon. Just right click on this top ribbon and click on this customize ribbon. So by clicking on this, you can see that this means that Yeah, your EndNote extension is your EndNote extension is unticked here. So just tick it and press OK, and that EndNote extension will be added in your Word document. Or so, in order to extract that references, just go to EndNote, click on this EndNote, and you have to select your specific style. Uh, Usually it has to be APA format, so APA 7, and click on this. Go to EndNote, and your EndNote library will open. So, in order to add first reference, click on the first reference and click on this citation icon. So, like this, you can add your reference in your thesis. So, at the top, you can see your reference, and at the bottom, you can see your bibliography. So, like this, you can add your reference and bibliography in your thesis or any of your research work. So, if you click any more citations in the end note, it will automatically cite the reference and bibliography in your Word document. Right? Uh, like like this second one, and and here you can see that again it has cited a reference and a bibliography. So this is how you add reference and bibliography in your thesis or any of your research work.